Today we will learn about HTML text formatting. So what is HTML text formatting? So you have to understand that for this we can edit the text, like we can make the text bold, we can make the text italic, we can make it subscript and superscript for editing of the text in simple word. So for that, in simple, when we typing in word, what we have to do, we have simply use the bold command in Microsoft Word to make the highlight any word. If we make some style at design, we use the italic. There is lots of element in HTML web page design. We have also used the same thing for here specific designing. Where I am telling you some element like b is equal to bold text, st is equal to strong mean important text. You have to remember these things. I is equal to italic text, em is equal to emphasize the text, mark text for marking, small text for small tag. Looks everything will be in the tag. Remember this thing, when we use an HTML program, all the things should be within the tag and the tag should be closed. Del for delete, ins for insert, sub for subscript, super superscript. Now the use of b and strong element. Look, a simple example even b, the text is bold. B, if we color it, it will display bolding color. It will highlight. Okay, and if we use this strong command, it will add an importance. It will show it is an important text. Like a paragraph is given. If we want to understand which things are important, so we can use this command. From this command, we will be able to understand what will be the strong command. Now coming to the point of I and EM command. I is stand for italic without any extra importance, means only design. But EM is an emphasized text with add and symmetric importance, means it has an importance of designing. Okay, so the others will load attract. Okay, and one thing remember, browser display strong as B and em as I. However, it is different. The meaning of the tags b and I defines bold or italic, but strong and em means that the text is important. It will not display anything, but it will shows that it is an important. Now another thing is that small element means we have typed something. If we have to make somewhat is bigger, small is smaller. For smaller, what we have to use? Small tag. Look, we have opening the small tag, we are closing the small tag. Okay, now another element we have to know, mark element. For marking a particular text or mark or highlight a text, we use this mark command. Del command we all know for delete. For delete any particular word, we use this del command. A word has been written, we want to delete, so just use it and we'll be able to delete it.